guys, it's Malenka. So today I'll be showing you how to make Halloween slime. Now let me show you. I haven't been making slime in a very long time. Sorry for the sudden camera adjustment, but I haven't been making slime in a very long time. And yeah, we're just gonna get started right now. And I'm excited for this Halloween slime because I'm gonna take this Halloween garland, the leftover Halloween garland, and I'm going to put it inside the slime. And we'll see how that works out. So, first, get any regular white glue. I'm using Elmer's glue because I feel like that works the best. Like, I used to use the dollar store one, but that does not work so well. So, use Elmer's glue. It's pretty cheap as well. Next, you're going to take your shaving cream. I'm using regular thick shaving cream. Make sure to shake it up. And we are going to put half. So this is about a half cup of glue right here. And we're going to put a half cup of shaving cream. That's good. There you go, that's good. I just love the small shaving cream. It smells so good. And we're just mix it up. So fluffy. So fluffy. And it should do that. Next, we are going to take our cornstarch, just about a tablespoon of cornstarch right here, and we're going to pour it in here. Cornstarch basically gives the slime like stretchiness. It also makes it like not so flat. Yeah. So gently, okay, so with cornstarch we want to gently and slowly mix it through. Just like that. And we're going to do fast. I don't want any bubbles or like, little clumps of cornstarch in there. And that is perfect. Next, we are going to take our food coloring. So I'm using orange food coloring for like the Halloween pumpkin orange. And I'm just going to use that. Let me see if I have any more red left in here. Okay, yeah, there's a big lot of red right there. So 1 drop of red if you're going to make orange with food coloring, and 2 drops of yellow. 1, 2. I'm just going to mix it up. So, okay, yeah. So satisfying. Now, also a little bit pink for me. I'm going to add another drop of yellow. 2 drops. Whoops. 2 drops. There you go. That's yellow. Let's add another drop just for good luck. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Next, we are going to take, this is just a regular lotion. Regular cheap lotion, like you don't need anything fancy. I'm just going to use this lotion and pour like about a tablespoon of this lotion in here. What lotion basically does to slime is it basically makes it stretchy. And everyone likes stretchy slime, you know. I love stretchy slime. Hey guys, now that we've mixed all our glue together, we are going to activate it. So, what you're going to do, you're going to take half borax. Wait, no, scratch that. You're going to take 1 tablespoon borax, a cup of water, a cup of warm water, mix it together, and that's going to be your activator. Now, I put my activator in a glue bottle, Elmer's glue bottle, and like it's easier that way. So you just squeeze it like this. Okay, now we're going to like just pour a little bit in there and just start mixing. And it immediately starts to like activate, you see? By the way, sorry for the change in lights. I filmed it in a better lighting area, you know. Okay, yeah. So you're gonna put a little bit more, a little bit too sticky. Just make sure not to over activate it, so just like follow along with me. mixing. And like with fluffy slime, it gets like really thick. And it starts to become like this. Just a tad bit more. Like at this point, I actually touch it with your hand. And actually, I'm going to start going in with your hand, but you know me. Oh yeah, see? Now a slime will be ready when you touch with your hand, and it will not be, what's it called? It will not be sticky. That's the word. A little bit too sticky, like you can see it's very sticky still. A little bit more activator. Whoops, sorry about that. I'm so bad at filming. Okay, anyway, like, why don't we even have a YouTube channel? I should just quit right now. Anyway, we're just gonna start mixing. And so you don't want it to be over mixed. So like that's about good enough. Like the bottom is still very sticky, but once you just knead it all together, it will become a very nice, you know. And let's just listen to this soothing music. This is like music to my ears, basically. Never making slime. Like literally, just listen to this. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so we're gonna put that in there. Next, for our decoration, basically a Halloween garland. The scissor right here, and we're just gonna cut it up. If you want to put the pumpkin in their hole, I'm not going to though. And I've warned you, this is pretty messy. Okay, that's about good enough. I don't want to put too much. Okay, that is good. Yeah, it looks like spider. Okay, this is gonna creep some of you out, but this looks like little spider legs in my slime. But I don't know. I think of it as black glitter. I mean black confetti. So just think of it like that, and you will not be so disturbed. You will not be so disturbed. Think of it as, you know. And that is our Halloween slime. Make sure to check out my Etsy shop. It's having a major sale right now on Halloween charms that I've created. Also, make sure to check out my Instagram at magicalmalenka with an underscore in the middle. I post like pretty much every day there. So make sure to follow that. Make sure to check out my Etsy shop. Link down below. Like I'll link my Etsy shop and my Instagram down below, so you guys can check that out too. Thank you guys so much for joining again. Make sure to subscribe and like down below for more Halloween themed videos. You know, I'm trying to keep the spirit together. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I'm trying to post every day. Like, I'm literally trying to post every day, but, you know, you never know if something comes up. But I've been doing pretty good. And, yeah, make sure to subscribe for more videos. And thank you, guys. I love you.